Hello folks, how are you? It's been a long time na hindi ako nakapag-post ng vlog, but it's good to be back. Well, I don't know how to start, but let me start of what I am doing currently. And join me as I am unboxing a package from my order of this LiFo 04 battery. Okay. We need to handle it carefully because LiFo 04 battery is very sensitive. Actually folks, this is my second order. Specifically cylindrical type of LiFo 04 battery for my small solar setup. Ganito siya kalaki. You can see it's very well packed because you know, this type of battery are fragile ones. We have 4 cells and we have 4 bus bars and we have nuts and we don't have washer. Supposedly we have washer. Now I want to test the voltage of each battery. So using this multimeter, and it is set into auto mode. Battery 1, .33 volts. Number 2, .97 volts. Medyo mahina yung pangalawa. Pangatlo, .33 volts. Pareho siya sa una. And then pang-apat, 3.33. So magkapantay yung tatlo. Yung isa lang ang medyo mahina. Check natin. Ayan o, 2.97 volts. So medyo mahina yung isa. So yung tatlo, the same, 3.33. So folks, you might be asking, saan ba natin gagamitin ang mga battery na ito, especially LiFo 04 battery. Specifically, we will be using this battery for our solar setup. And again, you might be asking why we are setting solar setup. The first reason is we want to have a power backup in times of emergency. And second is we want to save money in our electric bill. And the third is I am curious and I want to learn setting up this solar, harnessing the power from the sun. And then the fourth one is I also want to share what I've learned, and I can help those who want to have this similar setup. Currently we have actually a setup already, DIY setup yan, and then gusto natin dagdagan yan, 12 volt setup din yan. 12 volts pa rin ang gusto natin, i-parallel lang natin yan. So ang setting is 2 parallel 4 series. Yung specification ng battery nito is 70 ampere hour. So kung i-parallel natin, 2 parallel and then 4 series para magiging 12 volts and then magiging 140 ampere hour na. So yun ang mangyari. So later I will update you sa pag set up natin sa battery nito, pati na yung solar panel natin sa taas. So yun lang. Follow me and also subscribe to this channel para ma-update kayo sa susunod pang mga video. So thank you. Bye bye. God bless.